if the architect just had conceptual masses, I could bring that in and create my own conceptual mass model as well. In that case, when it comes to materials, I would basically just use conceptual masses, and I can override it depending on what the materiality is. And this is again a conversation that you would have with the architect, where they would provide you the thermal properties of all the elements that they're using, and so that way you can incorporate that into your model. In my current model, since I had the walls coming from the architect, I set up the schematic types, and as we discussed, the schematic materials override the conceptual if you have the override option selected. In case you have detail, if you're going to be using detailed elements, and I would just check this box, it would use that. But just be careful when you select this, depending on the size of the model and how big the model is. Sometimes it takes a really long time to run the analysis, and a lot of times it also fails. It's happened to me a couple of times. So that's something to be wary of before you head in that direction. For the most part, the schematic types should work well enough.